Hi everyone, I am Lokesh from third year agriculture engineering. I am going to explain the applications of artificial intelligence and data science from the agriculture field.
Introduction. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers. Artificial intelligence is not a man versus machine saga. It's in fact man with machine is synergy. How AI used in agriculture? Automated farming activities, identification of pest and disease outbreak before occurrence, managing crop qualities, monitoring abiotic factors and stress, machine vision system and phenotype lead to adjustments. Automated irrigation system. Effect of usages. Reducing production costs of vegetables, making the industry more competitive and sustainable. Maintaining or increasing average vegetable yields, minimizing environmental impacts caused by excess applied water and subsequent agri-chemical leaching. Maintaining a desired soil water range in the root zone that is optimal for plant growth. Low labor in input for irrigation process maintenance, substantial water saving in compared to irrigation management based on average historical weather conditions. AI for harvesting wine crops. Conventional methods are often time consuming and generally categorized in contrast to what can be analyzed through automated digital detection and analysis technologies categorized as remote sensing tools. The trained use of hyperspectral imaging, spectroscopy, and or 3D mapping allows for the sustainable increase in the number of scale physical observed in the field. In fact, in effect, the multi-sensor collections approach creates a visual world of the phenotype data in which all the crop observables becomes mathematical values. AI driverless tractor using ever more sophisticated software coupled with off the shelf technology including sensors, radar and GPS. The system allows an operator working a combine to set the course of a driverless tractor pulling a grain cart. Position the cart to receive the grain from the combine and then send the fully loaded cart to the unloaded. AI for wedding. The Hortibot it about 3 foot by 3 foot is self-propelled and uses global positioning system GPS. It can recognize 25 different kinds of weeds and eliminate them by using its weed removing attachments. Conclusions. AI can be appropriate and efficacious in agriculture sector as it optimizes the resource use and efficiency. It solves the scarcity of resources and labor to a large extent. Adoption of AI is quite useful in agriculture. Artificial intelligence can be technologically revolution and boom in agriculture to feed the increasing human population of world. Artificial intelligence will complement and challenge to make right decision by farmers.
Thank you everyone.